Welcome to the presentation of the Pandemic Survival Business Plan 2022. So, the first part of our business plan is the business description, which include the description, mission, vision, strategic intent, and of course, the organizational structure. So, what is PandemiKit? It is not new to us that we are experiencing a pandemic right now, which is the COVID-19. Apparently, COVID-19 pandemic is far from over and could yet evolve in unanticipated ways, but one of its most important lessons is already clear. Preparation and early execution are essential in detecting, containing, and rapidly responding to and mitigating the spread of potentially dangerous emerging infectious disease. Thus, the TrioTagapayo, head by yours truly, the CEO of TrioTagapayo, Marie Antoinette Digit Gano, together with Le Antoinette MZ Pagang as the head of Marketing, Stock, and Financial Department, and Benilda Marie Ramirez as the head of Operational Department, would like to introduce the PandemiKit, a kit for pandemic survival in which would greatly help in the survival of the people in Cagayan and Isabela with the pandemic. Now, I would like to present the vision and mission of the TrioTagapayo. The vision of the TrioTagapayo aims to ensure that our product will always be available for the one who needs it in its affordable price and to make sure that we will be able to help while earning. While on the other hand, the mission of the TrioTagapayo aims to help the Cagayan and Isabela to have a safe community by providing a kit that would help them survive or prevent the widespread of the pandemic. Moreover, I would like to introduce the strategic intent of the TrioTagapayo. Well, the first one is to start small until our business will be noticed. Number 2, to ask for the province's help in advertising the product. Number 3, to find good investor. And last but not the least is to make sure that our kit would be budget friendly. As for the organizational structure, the TrioTagapayo company consists of 3 pharmacy students who wants to earn money amidst pandemic in terms of healthcare. The TrioTagapayo is headed by yours truly, Marie Antoinette Gitcano, together with head for Marketing, Stock, and Financial Department, Ms. Le Antoinette MZ Pagang, and the head of Operational Department, Ms. Benilda Marie Ramirez. So the next part of our business plan is the market research and analysis. The first one is the market trends, in which we conducted a research and we have found out that drugs that are on demand lately are paracetamol, vitamin C, and carbocysteine. While on the other hand, products that are on demand because of pandemic are face masks, soap, alcohol, gloves, and thermometer. Now, who would be the ideal customer of our product? Well, all ages around Cagayan and Isabela, whether infected or not by COVID-19. So, as you can see, this is the geographic location, and these places, which is the Isabela and Cagayan, these are the places that we would like to sell our pandemic kit. So for the next one, we have the potential vendors. Well, as of now, there are no available pandemic kit, hence they are sold in individual packages. Thus, we can use it as an advantage since we sell our product as a package. Potential vendors of the kit can be students or mothers that want to start business, and for the cost, it will be discussed by the head of the Marketing, Stock, and Finance Department, Ms. Le Antoinette Zipagan.
As the manager of Marketing, Stock, and Financial Management, I'm going to discuss pricing analysis for pandemic kit products. Before giving the final price of our product, I'm going to introduce first the individual pricing of each product in our kit. For the prices, 250 ml alcohol is 47 pesos, 10 pieces paracetamol is 40 pesos, 20 pieces ascorbic acid is 20 pesos, 1 box face mask is 48 pesos, 1 small soap is 15 pesos, 1 thermometer is 39 pesos, 2 pieces disposable gloves is 36 pesos, 50 ml water is 9 pesos. And for our manufacturer and distributor, alcohol is for Casino Ethyl Alcohol. Paracetamol brand name is Biogesic from Unilab. Ascorbic is Ascorgen from Azaria Pharmaceutical Laboratory Incorporation. Small sachet of Safeguard is from Procter and Gamble. Thermometer is from Guardian Digital Thermometer. Gloves is from SureGuard. Water is Refresh Mineral Water. For customer profiling, we gather it from Cagayan and Isabela, the population of Region 2 Cagayan Valley as May 1, 2020 is 3,685,744 based on the 2020 census of population and housing, and this accounts for about 3.38% of the Philippine population in 2020. And for Isabela, the total population in Isabela is 1,697,050. Recently, health authorities in Cagayan Valley have expressed alarm over the rising number of COVID-19 patients being admitted to the hospital after the holidays, with over 2,120 active cases as of January 13, 2021. Therefore, we believe that the people who experience the COVID-19 and those who are afraid to have the same case would likely to buy the PandemiKit. And for the primary target of our product, which is PandemiKit, are those who are infected or those who want to be safe in the pandemic.
Moving on, we have competitive analysis. In competitive analysis, we have potential competitors. These are pharmacy who sell these products, convenience store, and supermarket. Under competitive analysis, we have SWOT analysis. We have the strength. We are the first one who would sell a pandemic kit, thus there will be a possibility that people would buy this since it is hassle-free than to buy products for pandemic individually. This product is timely or trendy, catchy brand name, and it has good packaging. Second, we have weaknesses. People might not want to avail products in packages or kit, thus, instances that they might not want it may happen. Third, we have opportunities. New product means lack of competition. Changes of events that would most likely to improve the sales of the product. And lastly, we have the threats. Changes of events that would most likely to affect the business and major failures.
Moving forward, for the next part of our business plan, we have the marketing goals and objectives. The first goal of our company is to increase overall product awareness. The next one is to increase the overall sales of the company by 10% every year. We want to also develop new products after successfully launching PandemiKit and expand the business nationwide, reduce the cost for production, and staying profitable. For the objective of our company, we would like to increase sale by 30% for every 3 months, hire more workers, create a profile on a new social media channel such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We would also like to advertise product in every social media accounts, provide efficiency in operations, and of course, continue to satisfy the employees and the customers.
For marketing strategies, for week 1, planning and buying of raw materials, look for investors, packaging of individual product to make it a kit, create design for packaging, stock and advertise, and upload teasers. For week 2, start of selling, monitor of sales, continue to buy product if necessary, and lastly, advertise the product. For week 3, study the product sales, create forecast of sales, continue to advertise, as for provinces help in advertising. And for week 4 and in the present, sell more products, check if the plan is going smoothly, have a new advertisement, stock product, look for other investors, and lastly, study the plan and check if the company is earning.
We also have here the market methods, which includes the target market. Also, we have here the PandemiKit products, PandemiKit promotion, PandemiKit place, and PandemiKit prices.
For the market budget, for the success measurement, we forecasted the sale for 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years. So, sa 1 month, dapat magbebenta kami ng 80 kits and the manufacturing price muna is 254. So, times 80 is equals 20,320. And for TrioTagapayo, kapag maibebenta na siya sa market, yung magiging price is 300 times 80 is 24,000. So, kung paano namin makukuha yung kita namin in 1 month is yung price ng manufacturing is ima-minus namin sa magiging price na siya sa market. So, 24,000 minus 20,320. So, yung kita namin for 1 month is 3,680. So, yung ginawa namin sa 1 year is yung sa 1 month is 80 kits. So, times 12. Ganun na rin sa 5 years times 60. For the customer and seller satisfaction level, the TrioTagapayo expected to sell a lot of PandemiKit since today there are still a lot of cases in COVID-19. And we expected to have 90 to 100% level of satisfaction with our customer and workers as well.
If you have more questions, comments, or suggestions, or you want to give us your feedback, let's talk. We want to hear from you. You may contact us through our email account, triotagapayo@gmail.com, or through our business phone number, 0949-686-7202.
So, that would be the end of the presentation of our business plan, the Pandemic Kit, a kit for pandemic survival 2022. So, you can contact us through our social media accounts, which is in Facebook, TrioTagapayo, Twitter, I am TrioTagapayo, and Instagram at TrioTagapayo. That would be all, and have a nice day.